CBS News legal analyst Jack Ford is here. Good morning.
Hey, Charlie.
So what are the financial implications for Honda and other automakers?
Well, they sound like they could be enormous, but I say could be. Here's the reason. This case right now is not binding on any other court. This doesn't mean that everybody who has a claim against Honda now walks in the door, knocks on, says, I'm here, give me my $10,000. They can go into small claims court. You know, we've mentioned before that right now there's a pretty substantial class action lawsuit that's out there, and it's close to getting settled. But people can pull out of that if they want and say, okay, you know what, I'm going to take my shot in small claims court. But that means that they have to go through the process. So it's not automatic. Honda, as we just heard, is certainly going to appeal, so it's not certain that this ruling is going to stand. So could it involve a lot more money coming out of the pockets of Honda and into the pockets of people who have the cars? Could. But I think we can say that right now.
We'll wait to see how many people look at this and say, that's for me.
Yeah, so I have to see that, and how many other judges might rule the same way. Remember, this decision is not binding on any of the court. You could have somebody come in next door, and another judge might hear the same facts and say, no, I don't think so. I'm not going to make Honda pay any money out on this because it's not binding from a trial level.
So then it's not binding too in terms of any changes we could see, because Honda says this is the EPA regulation, not ours. It's not our fault.
They still have that argument. They'll make that argument on appeal. They might win it on appeal. They might lose it. We don't know yet. But nothing becomes any type of a legal precedent until it gets up to an appellate court. This level doesn't bind anybody. Interesting. Might turn out to be something. Might not.
Jack, thanks.
All right.